Make money online. How to make money on YouTube in 2023, featuring Mr. Beast. Agenda. In today's video, we're talking about clout, timeline, how he makes money, key takeaway, and the action steps. So let's get into the video. Clout. So Mr. Beast, he has 22 million followers on Instagram. He has 129 million subscribers on YouTube. He has 17 million followers on Twitter. He has 71 million followers on TikTok. He has 11 million followers on Facebook. And he has a net worth of $100 million, approximately. His timeline. In 1998, he was born in Kansas, USA, but raised with his older brother in Greenville, North Carolina. In 2012, he started posting videos on YouTube at 13 years old. His first video featured him playing Minecraft. In 2016, he graduated from Greenville Christian Academy and then briefly attended East Carolina University before dropping out. In 2017, he went viral with his video counting to 100,000, which gained tons of views in a short space of time. In 2018, he was given the title of YouTube's biggest philanthropist, having been giving away $1 million to fans, followers, and strangers. In 2019, he organizes and films a real-life battle royale contest between YouTubers for a prize of $200K in collaboration with Apex Legends. In 2020, he creates a rock, paper, scissors competition between 32 influencers, with the prize being $250K, becoming YouTube's most watched live original event. In 2020, he launches his virtual fast food restaurant, Mr. Beast Burger. In 2020, he launches a fundraising project called Team Trees, with the goal to raise $20 million for the Arbor Day Foundation and plant trees. In 2021, he creates a Squid Game recreation video featuring 456 participants and $456K prize, becoming his most viewed video. In 2022, he launches his new food company, Feastables, based on a chocolate bar called Mr. Beast Bars. In 2022, he crosses 100 million subscribers on YouTube and the Guinness World Record for most subscribers for an individual male on YouTube. How he makes his money. YouTube partner. On his primary YouTube channel, he has 129 million subscribers and 21 billion views. The YouTube Partnership Program pays content creators based on revenue sharing from ads being served on their content. He has 8 other channels, including Beast Philanthropy, Mr. Beast Gaming, Mr. Beast Shorts, Beast Reacts, Mr. Beast 2, and more. Endorsements. He has signed numerous sponsorship deals for his videos. Most of his sponsors donate towards the creation of the video. He then invests a portion towards production, marketing, or giveaways. Some of his sponsors include Shopify, EA, Microsoft, Squid, CSGO Lotto, Honey, and TikTok, just to name a few. Merchandise. He has an online store, Shop Mr. Beast, built with Shopify, which sells a variety of different merchandise, including hoodies, hats, t-shirts, trousers, bags, accessories, and more. TikTok Creator Fund. He has a TikTok channel with 71 million followers where he shares popular entertainment content. The TikTok Creator Fund pays its content creators based on performance, i.e. views, engagement, subscribers, and more. Meta Programs. He has a Facebook channel with 11 million followers where he shares popular entertainment content. Meta has a few different partnership programs allowing content creators to get paid based on content, ads, and brand partnerships. Businesses. His virtual restaurant called Mr. Beast Burger, which launched in 300 locations across 35 states and hit the milestone of 1 million burgers sold in 3 months. His food company Feastables launched a chocolate bar, Mr. Beast Bar, selling 1 million bars in 72 hours after the launch. Partnerships. He signed exclusive partnership deals with Jelly Smack for the optimization and distribution of his content across the platform Facebook and Snapchat in order to increase revenue, brand awareness, and reach more fans. Philanthropy. He started several philanthropic initiatives, fundraising for charitable causes. His initiatives included Team Trees, Team Seas, and Beast Philanthropy. Team Trees surpassed their goal for $20 million and planted 9 million plants across the globe. Angel investing. He's become an angel investor with investments into startup businesses including Backbone, Creative Juice, Financial Network, and Current. Backbone created a controller which transforms smartphones into games controllers, as you can see in the photo. Documentary. He starred in a documentary about himself called Beyond the Spotlight, which is featured on Amazon Prime and Curiosity Stream. Magazine publications. He's featured on the front cover for various magazine publications, including Rolling Stones, Forbes, and Times. Mr. Beast's earnings from YouTube in 2021 was $54 million. Source: Forbes. Key takeaway: invest heavily into building your brand. So the key takeaway from all of this is that Mr. Beast has been continuously investing heavily with his own funds into his video content. So he's been using his own money from the very beginning, and over time he was able to utilize sponsors and other parties to invest into his content. But in the very beginning, he's been investing heavily his own funds into his own content. So you need to do the same thing if you want to become a YouTube star and you want to have success on YouTube. You're going to have to invest heavily into your own content. So that means investing in equipment, investing in tools and software, investing in production, investing in maybe other people to help you to do things as well. Invest heavily into building your brand, because beyond YouTube, you know, Mr. Beast has a lot more beyond YouTube. He has businesses, he has assets away from YouTube, and there's a lot of things that go on beyond YouTube. So you want to actually go ahead and build your brand. So it's not just, oh, you as the face of it, you know. Mr. Beast is an actual brand. It's not just him himself. So you want to be doing the same thing. Invest heavily into yourself, into your brand, into your channel, into your platform, into your production on YouTube. You know, try and create as great of videos as you can. Like he just focuses on making great content, great videos, great quality, even down to, if you look at his thumbnails look really good as well in the first place. You know, invest heavily into building your brand, building your content. Continuously level up your videos. So, you know, his old videos originally were like, you know, a lot more amateur, a lot more, you know, just made from himself, you know, with his own little cameras and things like this. As time went on, he then introduced other people that could video him. But in the beginning, it was very amateur like. As time goes on, he's actually turned that into something a lot more professional. So you want to be continuously leveling up. So you post a video. After you post that video, when you make the second video, think about how could I make that second video better than the first video? And then once you've posted that second video, you want to be thinking about how can I make the third video better than the second? And if you continuously use that methodology, then you're going to find that, okay, fine, over time, your videos get better in quality. They're more interesting, they're more engaging, they're more inspiring, educating, whatever you're doing. Maybe they look better, they sound better. Just continuously make improvements. Doesn't have to be a major improvement. Could even be just that you just changed that, you made a better thumbnail, you made a better headline, just make some improvements each time. And over time, you're going to continuously improve, and you're going to have the compound effect where eventually you're going to look back and see that over a year or more, you've drastically improved your content quality on YouTube. Partner with other YouTubers. He's partnered with a lot of other YouTubers, other influencers, even that are not on YouTube, in Instagram and TikTok and so on. By partnering with other people, you're going to be able to leverage their audiences. You're going to be able to build up a lot more of a following, a lot more views. By him doing that is a little way of him, a hack that he uses to actually get more views for his videos, get more clout and get more attention. So he's creating one video, but he's killing two birds with one stone. So in the early days, you're not going to be able to get someone like Mr. Beast to partner with you, but you can get other little similar content creators to partner with you. And as you get, more of a following and clout, you could partner with larger and larger, influencers and larger other YouTubers, So think about ways that you could collab. Action steps. So your action steps for today's video are as follows. 1. Create your account if you haven't already done so, because you need a YouTube account to actually get started. 2, I want you to design it. So start adding in imagery, cover images, so on and so on. 3, post content. So get a little schedule together for yourself, whether that be daily, few times per week, once a month. You decide, create a schedule for yourself and stick to that schedule. But I would advise a couple times per week at the minimum. 4, I want you to sell something. So you could throw up a little store, like a Shopify store, for example, and you could make, merchandise. That's a good starting point for yourself. As you start building your personal brand, it can be linked to your YouTube channel. And then as you're creating this content, you can promote that thing. Overnight success is actually years of effort and then eventually winning. So when you see somebody like Mr. Beast, I want you to understand that this is not overnight success. He's been doing this from 2012. He's been doing this for a long duration of time. And for a long period of time, you're going to see that he didn't actually get much content views. He didn't get much, likes, subscribers or shares or any engagement really. It's only in the latter part that he started to really ramp up the success. So if you're getting onto this YouTube platform to actually make money, see it as a longer term thing, a long-term play. And I want you to check out our free training. The link is in the description. It's called Your First 25K, where you'll learn exactly how to go from 0 to 25K in 20 months or less. Get free access to module 1 of my online course, completely free. Go check it out.